We're over here at 2405 Serene, Unit 219, the back side of where the flood initially occurred. Unit 220, fire sprinkler went off over there, flooded in under the walls. We're actually gonna pull all the carpeting that's down here. A lot of moisture still in the padding. Gotta get all this padding out.